What's up YouTube, it's your boy Blins the Barber. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do a comb over with a drop skin fade using my wahl magic clips. I'm going to start off by using my clippers all the way close to make my first guideline. To form my second guideline, I'm going to have my lever all the way open and I'm going to go up about an inch. Remember guys, this is like clockwork. You're going to want to do this around the whole head. For the next step, you're going to want to remove all the hair at the bottom. Here I'm using my Andis cordless T outliner. It is very important while you're removing this bottom hair, you do not want to go past that first guideline, guys. Using my bablyliss gold shaver, I'm going to bring it down to the skin. Make sure you scoop out. You don't want to go past your first guideline you made. Okay guys, so you guys can see me here going in with my shaver. I'm going to show you guys something very important. If your shaver leaves a dark line, which you will see right now, you can take it off with your trimmer. Just get your trimmer and you want to flick at that line until it comes off. While you're doing this, make sure you do not go past your first guideline. To remove the first guideline that we initially made with the lever closed, we're going to start with the lever just slightly open. We're going to be using the flick out motion. As we go up, we're going to be opening the lever little by little. By the time you get to the top of that next guideline, you're going to want to have your lever fully open. Using my bablyliss clippers to make our next guideline, we're going to have the lever fully open with the 1/16 guard or the half guard attached. We're going to go up about an inch. Here I started fading from the back to the front. It doesn't matter, guys, if you start from the front of the back or the back to the front, as long as you get the fade in. I have my lever fully closed and I am tacking the line from the bottom. Then I open my lever to the next notch as I move up. By the time I have my lever fully open, I should be at the top of my guideline. Using my 1 guard or my 1/8 guard, I'm going to be going up about an inch with my lever fully open to form my next guideline. Once you have your guideline set, you're going to want to close your clippers all the way. You're going to start at the bottom on the first notch and you're going to work your way up. By the time you have your lever fully open, you should be at the top of your guideline. After using my 1 guard, I can see that there's still a line, so I'm going to move down to my 1/16 guard before I proceed to my next step. I'm going to have the lever all the way open and I'm going to try to use the corners and the flick out motion to get rid of the line. Using my 1.5 guard, I'm going to be going up about 1 inch to make my next guideline. Using our 1.5 guard, we're going to have the lever fully closed, and we're going to work our way up till our lever is fully open. As you guys can see, the fade is starting to come together. Here you can see me pointing out a dark guideline that I was not able to remove with my 1.5 clip closed. So I'm going to move down to my 1 guard all the way open, and it should take the line out. Using our 2 guard, we're going to start closed, and we're going to work our way up until the lever is fully open. This is going to be the last clip we use. I stepped away to talk to a customer, guys. When I came back, I forgot to push record, and I was not able to show you guys how I styled the hair. Don't mind this, guys. I was using my metal clip too, making sure there was no hair sticking out. I thought I was going to be setting in a combover guideline, but he chose not to get it after all. Using my bablyliss skeleton trimmers, I'm going to be starting in the middle of the forehead and working my way to the side. This is very important, guys. You want to take your time. You also want to keep it as natural as possible. You do not want to be a pushback barber. I'm going to be using my elegance blade for the finishing touches on the lineup. Don't forget to stretch the skin out, guys. It's very helpful. I like using this elegance blade. It's very exposed. I can see where I'm shaving, but you got to be very careful, guys. Get your angles down right so you don't cut anybody in the process. YouTube, here's the final cut. I hope you guys liked it. Hope you learned something from it. If you did, hit the like button below. Comment on what haircut you want to see next, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.